Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create split screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's see the output. Yes, while you're communicating something before and after, you need to split the screen and make your audience visible. Let's see how to do that. This is my sample videos. I'll make a 3 video into one frame to make a split screen. Open Adobe Premiere Pro, click New Project and give your name. Yes, make it OK. Just go to File, Import, choose the videos and click Open. Your video will import in the library. Yes, my video is imported. Just drag and keep it in the timeline. Just play the video using spacebar. I would like to split the screen in a 3 horizontal part. Near Effect panel, just type Crop. In Transform, Crop. Just drag and drop the effect in the video. Go to Editing and choose the Crop Effect. So this is a crop effects. Just select right. Your right hand side should be cropped. Increase the amount so it will crop. Wherever you want, you can keep it according to your need. Yes. So now I would like to crop in the left hand side. Just select left and crop. Yes. Now I need to position this video. Just go to top. You will have a position option. Just select and increase the amount or decrease the amount according to your video needs. Yes, so I have fixed one video. Now I would like to take one more video and drag and keep it in the timeline. Just play your video wherever you want. You need to add. Yes, I want to add this video. The same thing, just go to Effect panel and choose Crop and drag and drop. Go to Editing, select Crop option left and increase the amount. Yes. Select right side and increase the amount. So if you want to position this, you can make a position. Yeah, fine. Similarly, the third video, just keep it your timeline and drag. So wherever you want, you can keep it according to your video needs. Yeah, I have made. I just decrease the timeline. Yeah. Now I would like to add the transaction option. Go to Effects, Video Transaction, just hit the button. You will have a different kind of transaction option available. Just click Wipe and Normal Wipe. Yes, keep it in the second video line. Just play. Yes, and again I want to add one more wipe option. Just click and add. Yes, so in the one frame I make it 3 videos with the splitting options. Just go to File, Export, Media. So choose the file location wherever you want. You can choose. Just make save and click Export. Your file will export and get your output. So this is an easy way you can make your video as a split screen. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.